Have you ever wanted to buy Tesla stocks and then store them on your Ethereum wallet? Well, great news, because now you can. A new exchange launching in Europe called DX Exchange is getting a lot of press today because they're coming out with a very innovative way to offer securities on the blockchain. Now, essentially what they are offering is that you can now buy the 10 top stocks listed on the NASDAQ, so that is Alphabet, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla, Netflix, Baidu, Intel, and Nvidia. Now, they're also going to be offering stocks quite soon from the New York Stock Exchange and the Tokyo Exchange and the Hong Kong exchanges. But starting off with these 10 because obviously they are supremely massive. Basically, what the company is going to be doing, they will buy the stocks, and then they're going to issue ERC20 tokens, which represent the holding of those stocks. And then they're going to be selling those on their exchange. So this will allow basically for people to invest in these real world stocks and then be entitled to those same real world dividends from those stocks and be able to move in and out of them very easily. This is really, really exciting in terms of opening up more liquidity to come into the stock markets, more liquidity coming into the crypto markets overall. Very, very interesting indeed. Now, the advantages of having basically stocks represented as ERC20 tokens, there are so many. 24/7 trading. That in itself is big. You have to keep in mind, the stock markets are open from like 9 to 4, Monday to Friday, take public holidays off and all that fun stuff. The crypto markets have been a real revolution in terms of 24/7 markets. This will yet again bring traditional into the non-traditional, into the new wave of markets. So that's really cool to see basically the time that you're going to be able to invest in this, but also you're going to be able to own a fraction of a share. Can't afford a whole stock in Google? That's okay. You can just get half of one. That's also really cool because, again, everything's going to be tokenized. And then, of course, you can store those stocks on your Ledger wallet, on your Ethereum wallet, on your Trezor wallet. That's really, really cool as well. No longer do you have to trust some broker somewhere. Again, there's still a trust element because these are simply digital representation tokens. You're not actually holding the physical stocks, right? Not that the stocks are necessarily physical, but you're not actually holding the stocks yourself. You're actually just holding an ERC20 token representing those stocks, depending on a third party to actually be holding the stocks that they say they're issuing the tokens for. Currently, there's no reason to doubt that that's what they would be doing indeed, but still, you do have some trust required here. It's not like just holding on to Bitcoin, for example. Now, one of the really exciting reasons why we're talking about this exchange today is because it's an EU-regulated security token trading exchange. First of many. I think we're going to see a lot more official security token licensed crypto exchanges coming on board in the coming years. They've got that early mover advantage, which is definitely a benefit. Listing stocks is very cool. I think we'll see a lot of other security tokens coming here as well, not just stocks in the future. Now, the exchange also offers crypto-to-crypto trading, fiat-to-crypto trading, fiat onboarding, deposits, withdrawals. You can use your credit card, all that fun stuff. No trading fees, etc., etc. So also a robust-sounding cryptocurrency exchange, but offering the ability to invest in stocks on top of that. Super cool. Super cool. This trend will continue. We will see more and more exchanges offering securities and offering more traditional investments to investors to access wider liquidity, 24/7 markets, etc., etc. So this is a very positive development for the crypto space. Welcome to the party, DX Exchange. I would love to know what you think about DX and their crypto-based stocks down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You are super awesome. Thank you so much for coming out and taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you did enjoy the video, a thumbs up would be supremely appreciated. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. You can also hit that notification bell down below to know when I put out a new video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.